Well, the stocks in focus today on the back of news developments, results, on the back of important developments that have come in post-market hours yesterday. Have a look at SpiceJet. The company has, given the fact that the company has seen 2 quarters where operations have been disrupted on the back of the pandemic-infused lockdown, airline activities, airline operations are shut. And now if you're talking about SpiceJet, revenues have come in at 521 crore versus 3,000 crore on a year-on-year basis, mainly aided and helped by, you're talking about cargo operations and very, very few select passenger operations. The company EBITDA profit surprisingly has managed to turn in an EBITDA profit on the back of tight cost controls. You're talking about EBITDA profit at 13.5 crore. Capacity has contracted by close to 90%. That is a very important figure. Bottom line, you've seen a loss of close to 600 crores. And the company registered the industry's highest domestic load factor of a little over 66%. Company manages and says that it continues to maintain a market share of over 16%. And also, restructuring of aircraft leases is something that the company says is actually having a long-term savings impact as far as cost control is concerned. We're also talking about Tech Wabag, a good set of numbers over here. EBITDA coming in at close to 29 crore rupees. You're also talking about profitability actually coming in at 5 crore versus just around half a crore last time around. Revenues have held up steady, 431 crore versus 460 crore on a year-on-year basis. Order book remains quite steady, quite strong. You're talking about the order book at close to 442 crore rupees, at a little over 11,100 crore rupees with a fresh order intake of 440 crore rupees. P&G Health, MNC pharma companies continue to perform quite steady. We're talking about revenues being steady close to 200 crore versus 230 crore last time around. Profitability has gone up quite significantly, 49 crore versus 44 crore. Company has also managed to declare a special dividend of over 230 rupees a share. So watch out for P&G as well. Hexaware Technologies, a very important development coming in over here. Company is in the process of delisting on the back of the delisting offer announced by the promoter. So now, as per what the company has told the exchanges yesterday, company has got cumulative bids of over 8.7 crore shares. Now this represents almost 29% of the total shares of Hexaware. So if the management or if the promoter actually says that the 475 rupees a share bids that have come in via the reverse book building process is fine, then the company can go ahead and actually delist Hexaware from the exchanges. The CMP, if you're talking about it, at a slight discount. However, watch out for this particular stock. The development now mainly revolves around how the promoters actually respond to the open offer that has come in. Also, watch out for BSE. Whole host of funds have been selling, especially Deutsche Fund. So now, as per what the block deal that has been reported yesterday, again they sold a little over 7.5 lakh shares. Nippon India Mutual Fund was the buyer in this particular transaction.